What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video. I got a night POV drop for y'all, and we kind of gonna be on some back roads, I think. So we coming up on a tunnel right now, so I'm finna get y'all some tunnel sounds or whatever. Damn. Oh yeah, we making noise now. Slap that sucker in mail. Some bombs. I wish I could hear this from the outside because I know it sounds crazy for a fact. Damn. I like the POV drives at night because I feel like you can barely see anything for real. I mean, you can, but like, do y'all like them? Clean my windshield, I'm not gonna cap. Tell ya. Damn. By the way, y'all, I said I wasn't gonna talk as much in my last video because I feel like I be talking too much, and I told y'all I saw a video where somebody was like, stop talking. Not to me, but it was like, stop talking so much. So nobody ever told me that. So if y'all like me talking, I'm gonna keep talking. But if y'all don't like me talking, I won't talk. But I also don't know what the fuck to talk about, because every time I talk about something, I talk about the next car I want, what I plan to do with a car, all of that, and I say the same thing over and over. So this video, I'm just gonna not talk as much, and then, like, you know, hit the gas a little bit more so y'all can hear, especially now because this is like the popping weather. Oh fuck, that shit sounded loud. Damn! These shifts be crazy. I hear that. I low-key want to get a Burble tune, but I want to get it to where I can turn it on and off myself, because I I ain't gonna lie, I can't drive around with that burbling the whole time. Like the crazy burbles where you just go in that bitch. That shit too much. Alright, let's do one more pull before we get into this town because these niggas be bullshit. I mean, don't be bullshit. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be sad when all electric cars are a thing. And then gas is gonna be like $10 a gallon. And niggas not gonna be able to drive a damn car. We actually gonna turn this back on just in case. Oh, see that? We got a little could be a cop. Like I told y'all, they don't be bullshit over here. See, like this is the main street we coming up on. So you know Main Street, the cops be like, I don't know if y'all niggas, damn, this look way better. I need to get back over with the head mount. Like this look way better. Alright, I'm finna hold it right here. In a second. Gotta slow down because you're getting into town. These boys don't play around town. Damn, it's dead as hell over here. I do want to get some like little pops or whatever. What the hell is Food Liner? The hell? Heard of Food Lion. And it had IGA. And I know IGA had Cajun. Y'all don't even give a damn. What the hell, dirty hoe? See? This was wrong with. Don't you do it either, hoe. Oh, that's a Mustang. Beat it. Oh, he's got green lights. Hell no. He turned behind us, so let's see if he got some damn. Let's see what kind of Mustang that was. I didn't even see no 5.0 on the side, so that could be a goddamn. I don't even know. A damn 2.3. Oh, see, we got a popo. Look at that. What is it? I think it's a police station around this bitch somewhere. Oh, it's right there. The little setup thing. It must be another one. Or it's a real cop this time. Unless it's another sign. Alright, I'm gonna try to get y'all some burbles going down this hill. Oh, hell no. What the fuck is going on? Oh, we on a little bridge. Y'all hear that? Damn! Bro, I know that shit sound like a bomb from outside. I need to hear that. One of my friends is gonna be here. He actually has a Camaro. He knows the sweet spots. So I might let him drive it and follow him in his car so I can hear it, because I never heard my car. Besides videos, but you know videos don't do nothing because you can't even hear it for real. One of my friends told me my shit was loud as fuck. It don't sound loud as fuck to me, I'm not gonna lie. don't pull out. I don't trust people. You know, somebody pull out any second. Damn. The fuck? See, this is the problem with society. Why are your bright lights still on? Oh boy, I thought I was a cop. I was finna do it back. But it wasn't. I ain't gonna lie, I will give y'all a little pool right here. But we are like kinda in the country in the middle of nowhere. And deer just come out of nowhere sometimes. And I just don't think that's the smartest thing to do. But I give y'all little tiny pools here and there. We just passed another Camaro. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a pool right here. Oh, shit, I lied. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. If somebody watching this video wanna send me a damn better, whatever that shit called, a radar detector, or if a company wanna send me one to review, send me that junk. Contact my my business email down below in the description, almightyboydinquiries@gmail.com, because I've been wanting another one, but I want a good one. So if you think your product's good, send that shit to me, you feel me? Alright, let's do it. Okay. Damn, that bitch out. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, buddy. We gotta shut you the hell up because you making too much noise. Shut the fuck up. Alright, since we almost there and we on a straight road, if this car don't come behind me, I'm gonna give y'all lunch. If this car don't come. Alright, this car didn't come, so the hell is that? Alright, yeah, we're gonna get y'all lunch. I'm actually gonna turn traction control back on so we don't spin out of like crazy. But we could test my 0 to 60 actually. 1 second. I lied, there's a car coming. But I'll get y'all pulled. Alright, if y'all enjoyed that little slight POV, like, comment, subscribe. Next video, maybe not next video, but a video coming up soon. I will test my 0 to 60 on a closed course, of course. But if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Thank y'all for watching. If you still right here, remember I said send me a radar. Send me a radar detector. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.